Hey, what's up guys, Appletechnics here. In today's video we're going to talk about OnePlus 6 or Asus ZENFONE 5G. Which one we should buy, because both are premium and good looking smartphone around 30k. So it's hard to decide which one we should buy. So let's get started. Here you can see both are 2018 4G smartphone. Asus ZENFONE 5G is little bit lighter and thicker than OnePlus 6. And OnePlus 6 has massive 6.28 inches optic AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and rear. It has stock Android. There is plus point for OnePlus 6 because Oxygen OS feels like stock Android. Both are running Snapdragon 845 with Adreno 630 GPU. Both has dual cameras, but OnePlus 6 has 16 megapixel 1.7 aperture camera with and 20 megapixel camera. But Asus ZENFONE 5G has only 12 plus 8 megapixel cameras. With OnePlus 6 you can shoot 4K videos up to 60 frames. With Asus ZENFONE 5G you can shoot only 4K videos only 30 frames per second. OnePlus 6 has 16 megapixel front camera and Asus ZENFONE 5G has 18 megapixel front camera with 2.0 aperture. Both have Bluetooth 5.0. Both have fast charger and 3300 mAh battery. So you can see both are pretty much equal, but according to me OnePlus 6 is slightly better than Asus ZENFONE 5G. It has stock Android, better cameras, yeah, on paper, but it has better camera, little bit stronger because of Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Yeah, pretty much it. Thanks for watching. For more video like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel.